I got this cheap Chinese slime $1 thing, supposedly for cleaning keyboards. It came in this package from a month later from AliExpress. I'm not even sure if I should be touching this stuff, but I am, so I'm definitely washing my hands afterwards. I'm probably throwing this away. Because yeah, man, this is just, it's not cleaning, and it's junk. It's just weird. And it's probably, who knows what's in this. There's zero control. So yeah, it's not really cleaning my keyboard. It's not really doing anything useful. Like, it's not picking up hair and stuff, so. At least it's not ripping off my stickers for my macros. But yeah, so I would not buy the slime stuff. It's just weird. I mean, if you really want to test it out for $1, but still, I wouldn't do it. I don't think it's actually cleaning anything. Like, yeah, see, there's gunk on my keyboard, my keys here. Where's the gunk? On the T key. And it's not doing anything. Like, see, you can see that little bit of gunk right down there in the corner. Let's go ahead and see, it's not picking that up. Under there's a little bit of gunk under the 4 key, because when I got this laptop it was a little dirty, and so that's I figured, hey, I'll get some slime and clean it out. But this slime isn't cleaning anything, so it's garbage.